Life with my dogs.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're putting our dogs to the test and letting them explore some everyday human things, mirrors, bubbles, and brand new toys. Let's see how they react. First up, mirrors. Most dogs don't instantly understand reflection, and their reactions can be priceless. Some dogs think they've just discovered a new friend. Others get confused, wondering why this other dog won't sniff back. But over time, many dogs simply lose interest once they realize it's not a real pup. Next on the list, bubbles. Few things bring out pure joy like floating, magical bubbles. Dogs love the chase. The movement triggers their play instincts, and the popping adds the perfect surprise. But always remember to use pet safe, non-toxic bubbles to keep your furry friends safe. And finally, brand new toys. Every dog owner knows that one simple thing can turn an ordinary day into a celebration. Some dogs investigate slowly, others go full zoomies mode. New scents, new textures, and new sounds spark curiosity and excitement. It's enrichment and joy in one. And that's it for today's dog reaction test. Which reaction was your favorite, mirrors, bubbles, or toys? Comment below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another dog-loving video.
Life with my dogs.